Rainbow Net and Rigging was started with aquaculture, and we offer many things to the industry. We do all types of service, from making the nets to bird covers to mooring systems. In the mussel industry and the shellfish, we make the bags for the oysters. We do mussel sock. We have mooring buoys, and we do the refurbishing of nets, various nets through the cleaning service, disinfectant, right into the repair and treatment. This is an oyster bag. We have them in various mesh sizes, as you can see. This one's a bit smaller. There's one even smaller than that again. It originates from a roll of plastic mesh. This is a domestic product made in Canada, and we fabricate the product into the bag. So this is cut down into different texture and folded, and the different ropes and bungees are put on the product. But this is a system used in a lot in Atlantic Canada today for oyster growing. This is a domestic product made in Canada. We refined it many times to get it where it is today. It's a mussel sock. And how this is loaded, it loads full of mussels, and what we call this fuzzy rope goes in the center of it, all the way through the rope. And this product is cotton, so it biodegrades over a certain period of time. So when it biodegrades, all you're left with is the rope, and the mussels adhere to that. But this is a great product, and it's been refined many times, and we've got it down to a science. It works great and does a fine job.
Rainbow was part of the Eco Park here in Kaiser Meadows facility. They can serve just about everything that's in industry today. One of our major parts is we have the fouled nets that we draw on poles. The material is dried through the sun, through the rays of the sun. The algae and mussels that grow on the nets in the water is dried, and it falls off in material. This material is gathered and put in tanks and sent for compost, which the park here composts and makes a use from. We're very proud of the whole facility. This is a cleaning operation for the nets, and it starts with the solar panels. The water that it heats will handle all this facility and all the units of the facility, the heat in the floor, the drying area in the floor, all the hot water for the washing. This is all done through the solar panel. The washing process is it's very, very sophisticated. It goes through cycles. We take a fouled net with mussels or algae on it. It goes in cycles very similar to a washing machine, a regular washing machine. The water that we use within the facility, 95 to 98% of it comes out of recycled water. Mostly rainwater water and dehumidifier water. We hold somewhere around 50,000 gallons in reserve all the time. In our dryers, we gather all the water also, and it's conserved into a holding tank.
The machine behind us here is used for putting anti-fouling treatment on nets. After they are repaired, they go into the treatment. And it's used through different drying processes, forced heat, also fan dried. And we use dehumidifiers to draw all the moisture out of the net so it's completely dry. The anti-foulant prolongs the net as it's in the water, keeps from allergies, seaweed, different types of organisms growing on it.
Rainbow is really into the sustainability of the environment, conserving our water and energies from solar panels. Rainbow can see the difference in our light bills, for instance. We're saving big money.
Rainbow try to source as much product as possible domestically. We have rope suppliers in Nova Scotia, we have netting suppliers in Nova Scotia, plastic component factories that make products for us, such floats for the industry used in mussels and oysters. And we try to source as much as possible domestically in Nova Scotia. And we have a total of 35 employees in our operations. This is the mainstay in Dartmouth, but we have operations in St. George, New Brunswick, Capabello Island, and Chester, Nova Scotia.